The Samsung Galaxy S25 series has officially arrived, and sitting at the top of the lineup is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the flagship of flagships, bigger, more powerful, and packed with the latest innovations. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, the S25 Ultra is the first Android flagship to feature this overclocked 3M chip. It also introduces a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, along with new AI capabilities, setting the stage for Samsung's next big leap in smartphone technology. After some hands-on time with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we're here with our initial impressions. While the full review is still in the works, let's dive into everything you need to know about Samsung's latest Ultra flagship. Design and display. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra marks a subtle yet significant shift. Gone are the sharp rectangular edges that define the Ultra series. This time, Samsung has opted for rounded corners, making the device more comfortable to hold. Its sides are flat, glossy, and coated with titanium, giving it a premium look and feel. The phone is slightly thinner and lighter than its predecessor, measuring 8.2 millimeters thick and weighing 218 grams, noticeable when held alongside the S24 Ultra. The dimensions are more refined, with slimmer bezels encasing the 6.9-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The display itself remains top tier, with adaptive refresh rates ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and peak brightness hitting an impressive 2,600 nits. It offers unmatched clarity and vibrancy. The Gorilla Armor Glass adds durability, and the anti-reflective coating minimizes glare, making outdoor viewing a breeze. Samsung has also introduced new floating cameras where the camera rings are slightly raised from the back panel, a unique design feature that doubles as a subtle nod to the phone's photography prowess. Color options include muted titanium shades like black, gray, silver blue, and white silver, with exclusive online colors such as pink gold, jet black, and jade green. Camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra continues the legacy of the 200-megapixel main sensor, but introduces a significant upgrade to its ultra-wide camera, now boasting a 50-megapixel sensor, up from 12-megapixel on the S24 Ultra. The camera system includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The new ultra-wide camera promises brighter and sharper low-light shots, thanks to improved AI processing. Additionally, 8K video recording is now supported on both the main and ultra-wide cameras. Samsung's smart noise reduction technology ensures clearer nighttime videos, wired and 25-watt Qi 2 wireless charging. However, Samsung avoids magnetic charging to maintain compatibility with the S Pen's digitizer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a refinement of its predecessor, rather than a groundbreaking upgrade. The rounded design, 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and Snapdragon 8 Elite chip are welcome additions, but the S24 Ultra remains an excellent choice for those looking to save. If you're upgrading from an older device, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers top-notch performance, a stunning display, and a robust camera system. However, for those holding on to the S24 Ultra, this year's updates may not be enough to warrant an upgrade. Samsung is officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one.